Nuclear-powered UAVs represent a groundbreaking leap in military and surveillance technology, offering the possibility of unlimited flight time without the need for refueling. Unlike traditional drones that rely on batteries or jet fuel, these UAVs use miniaturized nuclear reactors to generate continuous energy, allowing them to stay airborne indefinitely. The concept is based on advanced nuclear propulsion systems, similar to those used in nuclear submarines but scaled down to fit inside an aircraft. The United States and other major military powers are rumored to be developing such UAVs under top-secret, classified projects. A nuclear-powered drone would have the ability to conduct long-term surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike missions without ever returning to base. This would eliminate the biggest weakness of current drones, their limited endurance. Current drones like the MQ-9 Reaper can only stay in the air for around 27 hours, but a nuclear-powered UAV could fly for months or even years without needing maintenance. One of the biggest challenges in developing such a drone is shielding the nuclear reactor to prevent radiation exposure. Engineers are exploring next-gen radiation shielding that could protect both the UAV's electronic systems and nearby areas from harmful radiation leaks. Another challenge is safety. If such a UAV were to crash, it could spread radioactive material over a large area, raising major security and environmental concerns. However, self-destruct protocols and containment technologies are being developed to prevent this risk. A nuclear UAV could provide unprecedented advantages on the battlefield. Imagine a drone that can patrol enemy territory indefinitely, monitor troop movements, and even act as an airborne command center for AI-controlled drone swarms. It could also be equipped with directed energy weapons, DEWs, such as laser cannons that can disable enemy missiles or aircraft from the sky. This could revolutionize air combat, creating a permanent aerial defense shield over key military zones. There are also civilian applications for this technology. A nuclear-powered UAV could provide constant internet coverage to remote regions, assist in climate monitoring, and even help with disaster relief efforts by surveying damage and coordinating rescue missions without needing to land. Despite these benefits, nuclear-powered UAVs remain a highly controversial technology. Countries fear the weaponization of nuclear drones, which could lead to a new arms race in the skies. The ability to deploy nuclear-powered aircraft for surveillance or attack missions anywhere in the world without refueling would give any nation an unmatched strategic advantage. If these drones become operational, they could reshape modern warfare by eliminating the limitations of fuel-based aviation. While no country has officially confirmed the existence of such a project, leaked reports suggest that the US, China, and Russia are all racing to develop the world's first nuclear-powered UAV, a drone that never needs to land, never runs out of fuel, and can strike anytime, anywhere, without warning. Imagine a world where drones powered by nuclear energy can fly.